Rate of diffusion of gas is inversely related to the square root of its molar mass. The equation shows the ratio of gas A speed to gas B speed. This shows that the velocity of two different gases are inversely proportional to the square roots of their molar mass. This can be explained to deal with the rate of diffusion or effusion, or deal with molar mass, or density. Since volume of different gas contain the same number of particles, the number of mole per liter at a given temperature and pressure is constant. Therefore, the density of a gas is directly proportional to its molar mass. Figure shows the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution of speed for a certain gas at a certain temperatures, such as nitrogen at 298 Kelvin. The speed at the tops of the curve is called as the most probable speed, Vp, because the largest number of molecules have that speed. And then the average speed, V average, is the total distance traveled by the object divided by the elapsed times to cover that distance. It is a scalar quantity, which means it is defined only by magnitudes. And then root mean square speed, Vrms, can determine from the temperature and the molar mass of the gas. It is a square root of the average velocities. According to the kinetic molecular theory, gas particles are in a state of constant random motions, which is individual particles move at a different speeds, constantly colliding and changing the directions. We use velocity to describe the movement of a gas particles, and thereby taking into account both speeds and directions. Particles moving in opposite direction have a velocity of opposite signs. Since gas particles are in random motions, it is possible that there will be about as many moving in one direction as in the opposite directions, meaning that the average velocity for a collision of gas particles is equal to 0. As this value is unhelpful, the average velocities can be determined using an alternative method, which is by squaring the velocity and taking the square roots, so we can overcome the directional components of velocity and simultaneously acquire the particle's average velocity. Since the value excludes the particle's directions, we now refer to the value as the average speed. The root mean square speed is the measure of the speed of the particles in the gas, defined as the square roots of the average velocity square of the molecules in a gas. For example, the speed of X particles were found as stated here. So the question asks you to calculate the average speed, V average, root mean square speed, Vrms, and the most probable speed, Vp, which is the average speed of an object is the total distance traveled by the object divided by the elapsed times to cover the distance. So from the calculations, the value is equal to 5.6 meter per second, and then root mean square speed, which is the average velocity squares of the molecules in a gas. So from the calculations, the value is equal to 6.2 meter per second. And then finally, the most probable speed, which is the greater fractions of molecules will have that speed. So from the speed of X particles, the greatest numbers of particles moving is equal to 6 meter per second. So in these questions, we need to compare the root mean square speed of hydrogen and oxygen. As we know that the molar mass of hydrogen is equal to 1 and for oxygen is equal to 16. Or for the molecules, the molar mass is equal to 2 and for molecule oxygen is equal to 32. So from that we can see that the oxygen is 16 times heavier than the hydrogens on a per atoms or per molecules in comparisons. So that the root mean square speed is inversely proportional to the square roots of the molar mass. So that this means the root mean square speed of hydrogen should be square root of 16 or 4 times faster. And then secondly, calculate the Roots mean square speed of oxygen at 20 degrees Celsius. First, we need to find the temperature in Kelvin units. So T is equal to 20 plus 273. So we get 290 Kelvin. Then the R, we use 8.314 J per K mole. So from these equations, which is square root 3RT over M, which is M, or molar mass of the oxygens is equal to 32 gram per mole. So we need to convert to kilogram per mole. Is equal to 3.2 times 10 power negative 2 kilograms per mole. So we need to substitute into the equations, which is 3R is equal to x.314 J per K mole times 293 Kelvin divided by the molar mass is equal to 3.2 times 10 power negative 2 kg per mole. Okay, then square root. So since that J is equal to kg m power 2 power second negative 2, so we need to change this one, kg m 2 as negative 2, so we can cancel this one. So from the calculations we get 47x meters second. Okay, so the average velocity or the Roots mean square velocity of the molecules in the samples of oxygens at 20 degrees Celsius is equal to 47x meter per second. The area under a Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution represents the total number of molecules in the gas.